Hello everyone, this is KP again from KT University. I welcome you all. So in this video, I am going to develop a voice-enabled calculator using Python language. I am inside my Jupyter notebook. So you can do it in PyCharm or VS Code also, no issue. So in this video, I am going to develop it from scratch. Actually, one of my friends suggested me to do a voice-enabled calculator. So I wanted to explain it and code it with you also. So let us start. So for voice enabling part, I will be using a Python module that is pyttsx3. So let us rename it first. Voice enabled calc. Fine. So I should zoom it more. Now it is visible clearly, right? So this is actually a Python module for text to speech transfer. So Python provides us this module. This has capability to convert text into speech. So you can download it from command prompt using pip install pyttsx3. So if you get any error, so you can go to Stack Overflow. I usually refer Stack Overflow in Python if I'm getting some error. So that's a very good platform. So installing it from Jupyter Notebook requires one more thing, that is pip install pyttsx3. So shift plus enter, run the code. I'm already having this module, so I don't need to download it again. You can see here requirement already satisfied. Fine. So I will comment it. So let us start developing the calc. So first of all, I will import this module. Import pyttsx3 is pt. So pt is the alias here I am using. Otherwise, I have to write this whole word again and again. So let me show you its power. So suppose it provides a function that is called speak function. So using speak function, you can hear the voice of my laptop or machine. Let me show you. Welcome to my channel, right? So let me run it.
Welcome to my channel.
So can you hear? Let me try it again. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Okay, fine. So we will be using this. So my plan is to give user a menu, right? So from the menu, user can select which action he or she wants to perform. According to that, we will proceed, right? So first of all, I will write the basic core part, I mean background for a calculator. So I will be taking one input from user, that is A, and B, two numbers. Then what can I do? According to the choice selected by the user, I will be performing the operations. So let us take the choice from the user. I will typecast into integer part. Okay. So shift plus enter. It is asking for giving input. So I am giving 5. It is taking 5. So n is 5. So for more user experience, good experience, I can print enter your choice, right? I'm giving 5, so n is 5. So as I have said, we will be using voice part, so I will use here pt dot speak function. enter your choice. So run it.
Enter your choice.
It is asking for enter to your choice. I'm giving 7. Fine. So I think this 7, if I can anyway using any kind of part, if I will place the 7 here, it will be more better. So I can use here end equals to blank.
Enter your
Enter your
choice.
choice. 4. Now it is looking good. Fine. So let us go to the next part. I have taken the input. So now the if else part comes. So if n equals to 1. So I will perform addition. So for addition part, I can create in a variable results result equal to a plus b. Then pt dot speak, or I can just speak result. Alright. So similarly, also print, I should print it. Print result. It is fine. So next condition, elif n equals to 2. Result equals to a minus b. And let me copy it. Same thing. Can paste it here. Fine. Then second condition, elif n equals to 3. Result so first case addition, second case subtraction, third case should be multiplication, right? A star b. So let me print it. Fine. Fourth condition, elif n equals to 4. If your user enters choice 4, so result should be a divided by b, right? Let me speak and print it again. Fifth case, elif n equals to 5. So fifth case, what I can give? I can get remainder. Okay. So result equals to a modulus b. So speak it and print it also. So next case, what I can give? Um, I can calculate the power also. So n equals to 6. Result should be a power b. So for power, you can give double star, double asterisk. So let me print it and speak it. So this much. Last I can give else wrong choice, bro. Fine. It will also print. So this much. So first of all, it should welcome me to the program. So I will make 2 more cells here. pt dot speak. So what should it say? Hi KP. Then again, I am your voice enabled calculator. So after this, it should provide me a choice. So I can give here the following operation. I can give one statement here. pt dot speak. I can perform the following operations for you. Following arithmetic operation. Right? So it will be very good if this statement will be printed again. Print this thing. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Fine. So let us try it. What it is doing.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operation for you.
Nice. So working fine. So if I will do here something like for more good visibility, a blank line, then print. Then again print. Welcome KP. Then print this thing.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operation for you.
So it is looking good. I should give here one more blank line and keep this in the middle part, right? One more pipeline here, one more pipeline here. I should give here tabs, one tab space. Okay. Space, let me give here space. If I keep it in the middle, let me get this part and perform this later. I will cut it from here. I can try it here only. Paste. So this is working fine. Little bit space if I can give, it will be looking more better. Now let me try. Some more space it requires. I hope now it is in the middle. Some more space. Now run. Some more. Okay. Let me make it up to this. So this is working a little bit. This is working fine and looks is better than previous part, right? So I can keep it to the middle. 3 space, 4 space, 5 space. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Run it again. Okay. Now it is okay. Looking good. Cut it from here. I can paste it. here. Is that fine? Let me run it again.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operation for you.
Yes. So this is okay. This is my first part. Then it should show the menu. So for showing the menu, I can give the print statement as well as the speak statement. So first it will speak pt dot speak. So the last statement is I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. So next it should say the menu. Press, then again print statement, press. So then pt dot speak 1 for addition. Let me copy it. Just a minute. Print 1 for addition. So now let me copy these two statements, paste, paste, again paste. So this is the first one, 2 for subtraction, okay. So 3 for multiplication, okay, wait, multiplication, TION, right? Let me give little bit space here. 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, okay. Then 5 was for, where is the main part? 5 was for a percentile, sorry, modulus, that is to get remainder, okay. 5 for 5 to get remainder, copy it, paste. This is 5, right? So 6 for calculating the power, right? 6 for power. So till now it is fine. Let me run it again and see. Shift plus enter.
Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power.
So now as expected it is working fine. So I feel that the voice is little bit fast, so I can give 1 second delay here. So giving delay, for giving delay I think I need one more module, that is time module, import time, okay. So after press time dot slip for 1 second, copy it, After speaking the addition part, one more second. After speaking this, one more second. After this, one more second. After this, one more second. After this, one more. One more. So let me run it again and see what is the effect of delay.
Press 1 for addition. 2 for subtraction. 3 for multiplication. 4 for division. 5 to get remainder. 6 for calculating the power.
So now it is working fine. So this will be our first. They will welcome me. So then they will provide the options. After this, they should ask me for which option I want to go for. So copy and paste it here. So let me give here time 2 seconds. It will wait for 2 seconds, then it will perform this task. So this should speak me in more convenient way, like enter the choice according to the action you wanna perform. Not action, operation. Okay, so after this it will prompt for me giving an input, and that will be providing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then I should ask for giving two numbers. So for addition we also need two numbers, for subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder and power. For all these operations we need at least two numbers. So I will take two inputs. So I should give your else part. I have provided. Okay, wrong choice. Yeah, so no issue. We don't need this. Cut it. So first of all it will ask pt dot speak. Let me give here so enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform. Then it will print. Enter your choice. You will give the input. Input will go to this variable. After this it should ask me for first number and second number, right? Please enter your first number. So I would like to also print it. First number space colon. I would like to get the input in the same line only, so I will use end equals to blank. So whatever input it will give, it will be stored in the variable a. Okay, so after this I can do for same thing for b space control c control v. Please enter your second number, so it will be stored in b, right? So let me give a little bit delay. Time. Actually, we don't need delay here. Okay, no problem. I can give time dot sleep for 1 second. Fine. So first of all, when we will execute, it will welcome me. Then it will say I can perform the following arithmetic operations. Operations. Okay, print operations for you. Operations. Fine. Then it will provide the following menus. According to this, the user will give the input, like I'm giving suppose 4, so it will take 4. Then it will ask for enter a first number, enter a second number, so I will give suppose 10, 12. Now it is fine. So we have to perform division right now. Then I have to print the result. Fine, this much. So I think I will having a problem, that is I'm showing it here. Suppose I have a variable x that I'm taking input from the user, right? And same input. Okay, I'm taking two inputs here, x and y, 2, 3, right? I'm writing here for x, for writing here for y. So for x I'm giving suppose 3, for y I'm giving 5. Okay, let me give a little bit space here. 3, 4. So I'm taking the x and y input. I have to perform addition, suppose. So if I am doing here x plus y, I'm getting 3, 4, not 3 plus 4, that is 7, because these are in string data type. So I have to perform typecasting here. Whatever input I am taking here, the a and b, I have to typecast, otherwise they will be concatenated as a string, not they will be added as a integer. So if I'm taking here as input, sorry, as integer input, I'm taking int, then again int. Now for x I'm giving suppose 4, for y I'm giving 5. Okay, so now I will calculate x plus y, it is giving me 9. So for integers it is working now fine. Suppose let us check for float number. My user can also give float numbers. So suppose I am giving 3.4. See, invalid literal for int. So this is the float number I am giving, and here I am typecasting into int. So anyhow, if I will be converting them into, just a minute, integer part, I will not get the proper output. They will convert it into whole numbers, not the they will delete the decimal values. Suppose I am giving here x equals to 5.9, right? So what is the type of x here? It is type of float. So if I will typecast it to the int of x, so it will be of int type. So if I print this, it will give me 5. It is not taking the decimal part, that is 0.9. So if I will be performing any operation like subtraction, multiplication and division on it, suppose I have another variable, that is y equals to 10.1, right? So integer x plus int of y, so I will be getting 15. So 10 plus 5, 15, they are giving only integer part, so they are not considering 0.9 and 0.1. So my user can give both integer as well as float. So if I will typecast here to the int, where is that? Yes, if I will typecast here for a and b, then float numbers will be giving a wrong output or wrong result, incorrect result. So I cannot typecast them into integer or float. So what I can do, I should think for some more idea. So if you focus on a floating point number, that is 56.7 or whatever, any big number, sorry, this is not marked down, this is code. So if you suppose take any floating point number, very big number, point this is this, so this is containing at least one dot, right? So whenever I will be taking input from user, suppose x equals to input, so whatever user gives here input, that is type of string type. Suppose I am giving here 6, so type of 6, sorry, type of not 6, type of x, it is string type. So if I am giving here kp, what is type of x, that is also string type. So whatever a user input we are taking, that is of string type. So if you know Python very well, you must be knowing about slicing or indexing these things. So I can iterate over the string. So suppose I'm giving again a string welcome, right? So w is character or a string, w in x, what it will give or what it will perform, it checks for if w is in x. What is x? X is a string, so it will give true or false, the boolean value. So if w have x, sorry, except w, then it will give output as true. Or if I'll take here as suppose x, or suppose erty in x, they are giving false. So I will be using this concept. Okay, so I will check, I'm taking user input, so I will check if I have a single dot in the string, then it is a float type, because in my calculator my user will not be giving any string, it will provide either a whole number, that is the integer, or a float number. So in float number it must be containing dots. So now I can typecast it into float type, float, float of x. Else if it does not have dot or point, then it is of course a integer type. I can do it here, int of x. So understand it, focus it here, that if my user input contains dot, then user is trying to giving me a float number, but according to Python it is string. So if I can find a dot in it, so I can convert it into float. Or if the number does not contain any dot, that is not floating point number, I can typecast it to integer. Then I can perform the operations like subtraction, multiplication, division, addition, whatever you want. So let us check it here only. I'll perform for y also. I'm giving input. Okay, so I will do the same thing for y also. Copy, sorry, paste in y. Check for y also. I'll perform only single addition, single operation, that is addition or multiplication. Y, fine. I will take user input, then perform addition. Okay, so for addition I want one more cell, that is result equals to x plus y, then print result. Fine. So for let us check for integers. For x I am giving 23, for integers I am giving 99, then it will be executed, done, then the output 122. So 23 plus 99, that is 122. It is working fine for integers. So now let us check for float. I am giving 45.5, then I am giving here 12.6, then second cell execution fine, then third cell it is giving me 58.1. So let us check 45 plus 12 and 5 plus 6, yeah, it is 58.1. So it is working fine. So finally I will be putting all this code in a single cell, that is I can run it in a single go. For differentiation I'm giving hash comment out, cut and paste here, hash. Okay, so for finally let us edit 23.5 first 45, so the result is 68.5. So if I am giving a one integer one decimal value, it is also working fine. So this thing I will going to use here. Where is that? This is my first part, second part. Okay, fine. This is providing the menus, giving the choice user is providing, then yes, here I have taken the input, then I will check for condition. Okay, so where is the condition? So this part I'm copying from here and I can paste it. Okay, it's taking input, then I can paste it here. So in place of x and y I will change into a a a a, this is also a. So this is done for a. So now for b, 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 b. So now I can do here the final result, we can check. So how we can check? I should keep all this in a single cell. So let us check from the very beginning. I'm importing the libraries fine, so it will welcome me, then it will provide the menus option, then this cell contains user will provide which operation he or she wants to perform, then secondly we will convert according to the user's input, then we will go for operation part. So whatever operation he or she will be providing, he or she wants to perform, he can get it or she can get it. Then we don't want this anymore, cut it. So now let us do all in one cell. I'm cutting the whole thing, enter, enter. I'm giving one breakpoint kind of thing that we can easily distinguish, paste. So I have the operation part here, so let us keep it in one cell, control a, x, comment line, paste. So now I have to integrate two more cells. Okay, control a, x, enter, one differentiating line, paste it here. Okay, two more cells, right? So again, Control A, X, differentiating line one more I need here, then paste it here. Okay, so my code is getting bigger right now. So again, Control A, X, paste. So this is our final code. We don't need these cells anymore. Let me cut it. Okay, so now I can run my calculator in a single go, right? So let us check once more. Okay, fine. So let me execute it. Run.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So it is asking me to enter the choice. I am suppose giving 2. I want subtraction.
Please enter your first number.
So my first number is suppose 45.
Please enter your second number.
My second number is suppose again 45.
0.
I'm getting the result 0. So till now my calculator is working fine. So I want one more thing. I don't want my calculator will stop after single execution. I want to perform multiple operations multiple times. So I need my calculator will continue its execution until unless I want it to be stopped or terminated. So I can do one thing. It will ask again for the same thing. I can use while loop. If you know while loop, if I will do here while any true condition, then if I'm suppose printing 5 and I'll execute it, it is an infinite loop. So it will run until unless I will I will exit from the loop. So I can use here break, break. So I can use break. Okay, so I will use this thing. So where I can place the while, let us check. So after the first execution, after the first operation completion, it will ask me from here. It should show the menus and again ask for enter the choice you want to perform. So I can put here while true. So I have to indent it properly. One tab, tab. So accordingly I have to indent everything. Make sure while you are doing this coding part, the indentation will be correct or you will get many more errors. One tab. So few more lines. Fine. So I want a exit point also, because if I will not provide an exit point, it will run continuously, and the system may hang, may not hang, I'm not sure. So I can do one thing here, make it 1, and I want to provide one more thing, that is pt dot speak. Press 7 to terminate, sorry, to exit from the program, right? It will be good, exit from the program. Okay, print, I think 2 space 1 2 7 space colon exit. So it will print exit, and for 7 I can give here one operational statement, that is elif n equals to 7. Suppose I will speak bye bye. So I will be printing it also, print. So after it should wait for 1 second at least, so that we can see the output. Time dot sleep for 1 second. After that, it should break the loop. So let us run it and see what is happening. We don't need this cell anymore, cut it. Shift plus enter.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power, 7 to exit from the program. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So suppose after doing an operation, I want to exit. So let us first, I want to calculate power.
Please
6.
enter your first number.
So my first number is suppose 3.
Please enter your second number.
So my second number is suppose 8.
6561. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So it is again asking for enter your choice. Okay. So it is repeating the loop from this. Okay, I want one more sentence here. Have I not printed? Okay, fine, no problem. I can, if I'm giving here 7.
Please enter your first number.
Okay, it is asking for again first number.
Please enter your second number.
Second
Bye
number.
KP.
Then only it is exiting. Okay, I got it. So this is actually a bug in my code. I have to fix it. So what we can do, so this is the starting of while statement. Okay, so I am giving here print statement. I am taking here input. I can do one thing here, that is I will make a if statement. If n equals to 7, I will do the same thing. Where is that? Okay. Where is that? I'm not able to find. here. Yeah, I got it. So I can paste it here. So if it finds then any 7, then it will break. Else it will go for pt.speak, enter a first number, enter a second number. Okay, so let us run it again and try.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power, 7 to exit from the program. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So if I want to exit from the program, I will give 7.
Bye bye KP.
So nice, that is working fine. So let me try it again. If I want to perform 2, 3 operation, then I want to exit, what happens? Let us see.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power, 7 to exit from the program. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So I want to perform
Please
addition.
enter your first number.
My first number is 23.
Please enter your second number.
Then again 23.
46. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So again I want to subtract.
Please enter your first number.
34.
Please enter your second number.
43.
Minus 9. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So working fine. Now I want to exit. 7.
Bye bye KP.
Fine, this is all working fine. So I can say my program is completed. So one more testing phase is remaining. That is if I am giving some wrong choice. Let us see what it happens. So let us execute it again.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power, 7 to exit from the program. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So first I want to calculate power.
Please enter your first number.
5.
Please enter your second number.
0.
1. So enter the choice
That is
according to the
1.
operation you want to perform.
Then suppose by mistakenly I have inputted 56.
Please enter your first number. Please enter your second number. Wrong choice, bro. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
Exit.
Bye bye KP.
So here is the bug. When my choice is wrong, incorrect, so immediately it should say wrong choice. So I can do one thing, that is copy this thing and I can give another if condition here, that is, so I know I have only 7 options, so I can give here if n is greater than 7, like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then okay, I can give n is not equals, no, I can give up to, okay, it will work fine, yeah. Wrong choice. If n equals to 7, it will exit, or in is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, it will work fine. Now let us see, execute it.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power, 7 to exit from the program. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So suppose I'm giving 56.
Wrong choice, bro. Please enter your first number.
Okay, so after wrong choice, it is asking again for first number. Okay,
Please enter your second number. Wrong choice, bro. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform. Bye bye KP.
so I have to do one thing. Whenever it will get wrong choice here, I can break it. We don't want to proceed anymore. Break it. Okay, so now it will work fine.
Hi KP. I am your voice-enabled calculator. I can perform the following arithmetic operations for you. Press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 to get remainder, 6 for calculating the power, 7 to exit from the program. So enter the choice according to the operation you want to perform.
So if I'm giving any wrong input, wrong choice,
Wrong choice, bro.
wrong choice. Okay, fine. So now it is working fine. My calculator is complete. So I can give a wrong choice, bro. Try again. Fine. Same thing. So now my code is complete. You can do one thing. Complete code you can copy and paste it in Notepad or any text editor. Then go to your command prompt, print Python, whatever name you have given, suppose calc.py, you can run it in command prompt and you can see the same thing here only, or there you can see. So this was all about the calculator, voice enabled calculator. So I want to thank my friend who suggested me to make this calculator. So I will provide the notepad file or the .py file. This is Jupyter file, so it will be in like calc.ipynb. So I will copy the whole code and make it to cal.py file and provide the link in the description so that you can download. And if you have this PyTT SX3 installed in your machine, you can check it like a simple function command. So if it is working fine, then you can just download the cal.py file from the link and you can run it in your machine. So thank you so much. This was all about the calculator, voice enabled calculator from scratch. So I think my explanation will help you to understand, and it will encourage you to make your new things also. You can also customize it according to your want. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Stay tuned with me so you can get more interesting projects or videos like this. Thank you so much.